Are you doing markets where you have made crocheted little snugglers like this? Have you figured out a way to display your creation so that people can see it in all its glory? Today we're going to talk about just that, how to display the little snuggler, or if you call it a lovey. So stay tuned. Hello my friends, I'm Diana and I created this channel as a way to share crochet with my friends. The how-tos, the tips, the tricks, and an occasional tutorial. So if you landed here, welcome. If you want to continue to see my content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like. It actually helps my channel to grow and reaches other creators just like you. So let's dive in. Today's topic, which is how do you display these cute little snugglers or loveys, or what do you call them? What do you call them? Like, tell me in the comments what you call these little dolls. For the sake of the video, I'm gonna call it a snuggler. A snuggler is just basically a doll that has stuffing in the head and in the feet. Hello, these aren't feet, these are hands. Well, I guess if it's a bear, it's its feet. This stuffing is in the head and the appendages, so just like in the hands and in the feet. So that's a snuggler. And they're super soft, usually made out of blanket yarn, and they're the perfect size for a little person to just grab and to snuggle. I didn't want to spend too much on my display items. I was trying to figure out how to display these without having them be all scrunched so people could kind of see what they were. But I also didn't want a lot of hands on them because this was one of my higher ticketed items. I didn't want to spend any more money on display items. I looked on Pinterest and I saw how people were displaying with shower curtains where they have the little clippies on the top. And I'm like, well, I don't know if I want that so much, but I kind of kept thinking on that idea. And then I had been cleaning the bathroom earlier in the day. I remember finding these cute little things underneath the counter and I was like, well, they kind of look like an ear. Like always, if I can't think of something, I'll start talking to my husband. He's a great sounding board, and I'll say, hey, I am trying to do this. Do you have any ideas of what would be the best way to display my snugglers? It's almost like you needed an S hook. And I got to thinking, and then I remembered I have those shower curtain things. And then I remembered I cleaned out my crafting stuff and everything was organized, that I had some O-rings. I don't know if you know what those are like the binder clips that are in binders, but they come apart like this. So what I did, I just clipped the O-ring through the mane of the unicorn and through the top of the head of my dinosaur. These were hanging up on the rod that was stable, and then I just hooked the O-ring . So thanks so much for tuning into my channel today. I really, really appreciate it. Oh, stay tuned for the bloopers. What in the world do you suppose?